Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel. You guys, there is one thing that you will always find in my kitchen. It's because I use it in recipes, it's because I use it in some of the sauces that I make, and that ingredient being mayonnaise, you guys. I tell you, I absolutely love mayonnaise. I add it to my egg salad, I add it to my chicken salad, I add it to my tuna salad, you guys. And for sauces, I've made a bang bang sauce, I made a Big Mac sauce. You guys, love this stuff. And recently, I also made a aioli sauce, garlic aioli sauce, out of this world delicious. So it dawned on me, it's like, why do I keep buying this when I can make some at home? So you guys, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're joining me for the first time, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And before you leave this video, also remember to give it a like and a share, because that's how YouTube knows that you are enjoying this content, and they will continue to spread it around, which will help my channel grow. So once again, we are going to make some homemade mayonnaise. Super excited about it. It could be somewhat intimidating because the process, if you don't do it right, it will not allow the very simple ingredients to emulsify. But you guys, we are going to try our hand at it. So without further ado, come in close and let's make some homemade mayo. All right, everyone, as I mentioned, mayo is made with a few simple ingredients. We've got some Dijon mustard, we have an egg, we've got some lemon, we've got some avocado oil, and then I also have some salt and pepper for seasoning. So the difficulty in making mayonnaise is to make sure that you emulsify it properly so that everything will hold together. If you don't, then you're going to end up with a mixture that is going to break, or you're going to end up with something that does not get creamy like mayonnaise, and it's going to look like basically a soup. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with an egg. Now, I've seen some recipes that call for just the egg yolk. I've seen some recipes that call for the whole egg. So as you can tell, today we are using the whole egg, some Dijon mustard, give it a nice tang. It's also my understanding too that this will help the emulsification process. Some lemon juice, and we're gonna go ahead and blend this. And I've got a stick blender. And just like this, this is blended together. So now you guys, at this point, I am going to add this oil a little at a time, because again, the key to making sure that this combines and sticks together is to, at least for the first 30 seconds or so, to put this in just a little at a time. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, you guys, we've got mayonnaise. Oh my goodness. Take a look at this. Now, the only thing that we have to do is just to taste it for seasoning, and that being the salt and the pepper. And you guys, this will be ready to use. All right, everyone, so this is the finished product. So off camera, I added some salt and I added some pepper, mixed it together, and this is ready. Show you guys how creamy this is. Oh. All right, let's go ahead and pour this into this container, just so you can see how creamy this is. Okay, you guys, and here we have it, homemade mayonnaise. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. It is, this is perfection. It is. And the taste. This is what homemade mayonnaise tastes like, you guys. Never had it before, and I promise you this will not be the last time because this is absolutely amazing. One thing I will tell you, make sure once it's finished that you add some salt and pepper to it because it just brings out the flavor of this mayo beautifully. And it's off to the fridge, it is going to go, and of course it's going to be used as a key ingredient to a lot of my recipes. Again, for my sauces, and if I want to do a tuna salad, I want to do an egg salad, I want to do a keto cauli potato salad. The possibilities are endless, guys. Please do give this a try. I promise you, you will not regret it. If you like mayonnaise, this is the one. And when you do, please leave the comments below and let everyone know that you did try it and just how phenomenal this is. And remember, you guys, give this video a like and share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. Thank you guys so very much for joining me. Remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special with homemade recipes such as this, so that you get to control all of the ingredients, you guys. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you guys real soon on my next Fit 550. Thanks again, and enjoy.